Papananta. Papananta.
Gusto niya punta tayo sa seafood.
Well, let's learn some Ilocano phrases. Let's take a break from Ilocano WOTD. Let's have something else today. Asidug kamin. Say asidug kamin. They always dead, mami.
Ah.
Malapit na kami.
2
Ano
oras
bang
ka
bibilhin natin?
Oh,
They already took your car,
Mag-aalas
mama.
12 pala yun.
Isda.
Mag-aalas 12.
They're going to take care of your baby now.
Mag-aalas 12.
We're already here. We're already here. Adadtoy kamin. Adadtoy kamin. Adadtoy kamin.
Sabay-sabay
Kami.
sana kung
We're already here.
Sabay-sabay
We're
sana
already
kung-
here. And dito na kami. Asidug kamin. Follow your car. Maybe they're gonna go to Hawaii. No expression. No reaction.
Bagong
Mapanakon. Pupunta na ako. Mapanakon. Mama, tawagan ak no sumangpot ka di jay. Tawagan ak no sumangpot ka di jay.
Bye, love.
Call me
Bye.
once you get there. Call me once you get there.
Diyan ako.
Mabiitak laeng. Mabiitak laeng. Sandali lang ako. Sandali lang ako. Mabiitak laeng. Last two. Kastuyak laengen. Kastuyak laengen. The other one is agan-annad ka. Agan-annad ka. Agan-annad ka. Okay. And if you mean to say, I'll just stay here or I'll just get off here. Dituyak laengen. Dituyak laengen. My voice. Dito na lang ako. Dituyak laengen. That's all for our Ilocano phrases. Until next time. Agawid kamin. Agawid kamin. Nakagatang kamin ti chocolates for Halloween.